Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you have this kind of GMC or ISUZU NPR, I think they should be similar. So what I'm working on is this switch to take this off. And be careful so you don't break it, because how it's sitting in here is there's a plastic switch that goes in here, and then you just pry it from here, from this side, with a flathead screwdriver. Just be careful. All you do is just kind of twist it so you don't ruin anything. Just like that. And once you pop this up, this goes up. Don't force it. Don't force it. You have to kind of go like this and then out, because it's holding right here. This goes under here. It was sitting like this. So when you take it out, kind of slide this way. Once this comes out, you can just pull this out. And to take this off, you can either take a screwdriver or press it with your finger if you can. This knob right here, press on it, and that should come off. There you go. Just on this right here, and that comes off. What happened? Let's say if the switch is bad and the window doesn't go up and down, you can do that to replace this, or it can be the motor. But to replace this, that's how you do it. And to put it back, if you got a new one, first you want to do is plug it in. Just like this. Make sure it goes in all the way. And it clicked. Make sure it's nice and secure. When you're installing it, just go like this. That goes in there, and then you can just push it in. And there you go. This is how you change the switch. Like I said, this one's GMC, but for ISUZU NPR might be similar. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll see if I can answer them, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.